Okay, hi everyone, it is Tammy and it is Thursday and I am on my way to a fancy lunch meeting, which is nice, and I'm driving my car. Yay! As you guys may know if you watched my last vlog, my car didn't start yesterday. Well, it didn't. I got to work, but then it didn't start on my way home from work, and now I used my remote start and everything, and it worked just beautifully. And you could probably hear the heat. Sorry, it was loud because it is cold, although it's warmer than yesterday. It says it's 18 degrees. So we got that going for us, which is nice. And what else do I know? I don't really know a lot, but I thought I'd say hello just because I like saying hello. I know that my bunion on my foot is killing me. On my right foot, it just hurts so badly. I'm even thinking of taking off my shoe. I'm at a stoplight. Maybe I'll kick off my boot for a little minute. Oh, if I can do it. I need to know which side my zipper is on. My foot's cold, but whew, I'm sure some of you guys who have bunions, you know what it feels like. It's like just burning because it hurts. And my right side is worse than my left side, but I have them on both feet, and I need to go to a podiatrist and see about getting them removed, but I haven't wanted to do that. I haven't wanted to take the time off work, and then I also haven't wanted to spend the money and all that nonsense, but I know I need to. And I know that they're caused by wearing shoes that are too small and all that jazz, so they're also hereditary, and my mom had them and I have them and my daughter has them, so I know it's just a mess. And I know I can get it taken care of. I just haven't. So I'm just complaining to complain, I guess. Hear myself talk. School was canceled again today. Most places. No mail delivery yesterday or today. I was all excited to get some mail, and that is not happening. So that's crazy to me. I don't remember ever not getting mail because of the cold, but it's happening. And I know it's not just Indiana, but I know it's a lot of Indiana, just a lot of the Midwest. It might even be other places, I don't know, but I know I've heard of places in Iowa, Illinois, here. Crazy. I've just never experienced that before. So, interesting. The person that's going to lunch with me, he just turned that way, so we'll see who gets there first. He probably will, because I think he's taking the highway, but I'm gonna take the back ways. I don't have to be there for 25 minutes. I have plenty of time. I think that this weekend Lisa and I are gonna go get coffee again at Dunkin' Donuts this time. She can try the blueberry coffee, and then we are going to go to Michael's because they have some Tennessee stuff that we can use for our little planners. Well, for my little planner, I keep mine in my purse, so here's mine. I haven't really done much with it. I did put a little cute little ball that I actually got for knitting. It's like a progress keeper, but I thought it would be cute on here, so I just stuck it on there. But I haven't gotten the stuff from Etsy yet to really decorate it up, but I'm waiting on my stuff from Etsy, and then as soon as I get that, then I'll know what I might still need. But it's fun to look, and shoot, we all know that even if I don't need it, I still like to get it sometimes. And we are moving, so I am on the second floor of a 2-story building right now at work, and I have a nice office, and it's beautiful, but they're moving us. So we're growing a lot, and they're trying to find a place for everybody to be in one location. And so some of that, they are changing the cube styles to more of an open floor plan. So like all of my staff has cubes right now, but I think that that's going to go to a open floor plan eventually. But we're not sure exactly where that's going to be yet. They've renovated the first floor of my building, and they've put in the open style on lots of it, like the whole bottom floor. Well, not the whole bottom floor, but a lot of the bottom floor. And then and that was kind of a test run to see how it was working, and you know, all of that. And it seems very nice. It's actually kind of a neat style, so that's kind of cool. So I think that's what they're now moving everybody from the second floor somewhere else so that they can remodel the second floor. And I am on the second floor, and my team is moving to another building in the middle of March or beginning of March. So I got some boxes today to start doing some of my move. There's a car where it's not supposed to be. I don't know what that's about. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be moving into, so I'm trying to get things gathered that I don't need, and things that, you know, I should just take home and not worry about, or things that, you know, I want to take back over there, or things that I've worked in IT since 2005, so I have stuff from 2005. So, you know, I can get rid of a lot of that stuff. So it's kind of fun to do a fresh start and clean all of that out. And I did send a picture to my boss. I had told my daughter Katie about it, and she sent me a cute picture saying, "Hey Mom, you should do this." And she sent me a really cute picture of this office. So I have a good relationship with my boss, and I sent it to him, and I said, if it's not too much trouble, I think that this would be great for me. And he likes to call me Princess, so he was like, "Oh, Princess, yeah, that's great." So it was cute. So I will try to remember to put something at the end of what that looked like so that you guys can see. But I also found a picture of Katie when she was like 5 years old. She doesn't have any front teeth. Oh, so cute. So I'll also show you that at the end of this, hopefully, if I remember. So yeah, just fun stuff. We're supposed to get some accumulation of snow tonight, which is kind of stinky. I'm kind of over it. So we shall see what happens. But at this moment, I'm planning on working from home tomorrow if it's going to be accumulated and yucky. And that's all I know, I guess. So I guess I'm going to let you guys go. And I appreciate you watching. Sorry for the yawning. My plans for the rest of the day are to eat a yummy lunch, enjoy the rest of my work day, knit, maybe play with my planner a little bit. I'm kind of okay with it though, because I just did my plan with me last night that you'll be seeing on Sunday. So I've already done that, so that's good. So I might play with it just a little bit, just to organize it a little bit more, to, you know, update it. But I updated it already, so it should be good, except for whatever I put in there for today. I need to order groceries and talk to my friends, and that's about all I have going on for tonight. So super exciting stuff. Not really, but oh, and gosh, my friends Janie and Tracy started me playing Yahtzee online. Yahtzee with friends or something, with buddies or something, I don't know. And it is a time sucker. So if you guys want something to do, start a game of Yahtzee. You can download the app on your phone and play. I have it linked to my Transforming Tammy account on Facebook only because I didn't know how to switch it, and I'm really not that interested, but so it's fine where it is. It's just if you guys want to play me, I am fine with playing with you. I just I don't know, and I don't know how long I'm going to do it, because it does take a lot of time away, and you know, it's fun, but I don't know. I start feeling guilty if I'm playing a game for too long. So I don't know how long it'll last or how long I'm going to do it, but if any of you play and you want to play with me, you can find me under Transforming Tammy. And I guess that's it. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.